Besides making your control cabinet neat and tidy, it is also required by law, by this or that standard, your control cabinet must be properly labeled. This is complicated and expensive, and there is never enough time for it. This does not even take into account remarking of a control cabinet if the job was not done right from the very beginning. Fortunately, smartSCRIPT is available, the new software from WAGO for any marking task related to the control cabinet. The modern user interface is intuitive to use, and by data import from CAE or Excel, you can rule out any marking errors directly, as you no longer have to transfer markings in a complicated step-by-step procedure. This is how easy it is. Import the file, for example an Excel file, into smartSCRIPT. Select the marking accessories you need and print them out via the WAGO Smart Printer. Application of the WAGO marking strips is also just as easy, as is preparing them with smartSCRIPT. Fast, easy, and proper labeling. Smart data solutions from WAGO.